I think so. I don't know. This is Kennedy's toy.
So he's got a head here, and his arms are flailing. Oh, I'm trying to get that placenta out of the way. Oh, and there's his little body. He flipped over.
Oh, how adorable.
You got arms in the air here. Oh, little feet.
Moving the arm, isn't
Wow, he's like
Or is
moving
that
all
you
over the
moving?
place.
No, I'm trying to stay as still as I
it?
can.
That's him moving?
Yep.
Okay, honey, what's his name?
You don't know what it is yet.
I don't know.
Oh, and he's
He
gonna
flipped
flip over.
again.
Oh, look at him. He's like waving. Hey, Ma.
I shouldn't have had that coffee today. Poor thing.
What do you mean he's loving life?
Oh my gosh, she's gorgeous. Come on, move, little guy.
He says, well, now she's pushing on me. Oh, and he
What
flips
are you?
over again. He's really active.
Is that normal?
Yeah. Especially if you just ate or drank something.
I just had a little. I didn't even drink the whole cup. I just had a half a cup. I haven't been drinking coffee at all. I just felt like I wanted a cup today.